Hi folks, welcome back. JD here again with another video for you. Sorry it's a couple of days late. I mentioned on the Facebook group I've been a little bit tied up with other things this week, but I did want to just touch base with you before the end of the week. This is going to be more of a piece to camera, if you like, rather than a tutorial. I just wanted to get some feedback, some comments as to an idea which I've got brewing, if you like, based on actually somebody's suggestion on the channel, so thanks for that. First and foremost, again, big thanks to everybody who's subscribed, big thanks to everybody who's joined the Facebook group and who's commented on that. You know, do please feel free to make as much use of it as you like. You know, it's a bit quiet at the moment in terms of conversation, so please feel free to, you know, post anything you like. I think I have to give it an approval, but providing it, you know, is a nice, decent post, you know, I'll approve it, obviously. So thanks for that. Do continue to email me here. Hey, look, I nearly got it right straight away. Email me there for information on how to get a copy of the spreadsheet. Had a really nice comment on a YouTube video earlier today. I quoted it on the Facebook group. It was really nice. You know, to get nice comments and nice feedback really does, if anyone does a channel similar, you know, does inspire you to make more content. And all I want to do on this channel is help people and better educate people, as you know. So I really appreciate any of the feedback you can give me. So this video is a bit about, I suppose, me just voicing some questions, really. I've got an idea, and I don't know yet how it would work. I don't know how it would operate. Obviously, I need to make it legal and correct and everything. But I really want to start some kind of service whereby I help people get a better deal on their new or used car purchase. Now, the main idea I've got, and as I said, please feel free to comment on this on the group or you know, comment directly on the video below. My main idea is all I would do is take any quotes that people have been given from a dealer, or maybe via something like CarWow or Orange Wheels or Coast to Coast, and just try and take over the process from then. So you'd have to be 100% committed to, you know, buying a car. You would already get the quotes yourself from a place like CarWow or whatever, and then I see my job as taking that away from you and kind of completing the deal in terms of any haggling that can be done, any products that you might be sold at the dealership that you may not really need, and just also trying to back it up with a bit more detail. So maybe, you know, you get a quote and then you maybe want to understand a bit more about the quote. So, you know, when can I get out of it? You know, just basically trying to break it down to make sure that people really understand what they're signing up for before they sign. I wouldn't be doing anything more than that. I wouldn't be giving advice. I wouldn't be selling any products to you. I might give you some friendly tips as to where you can get a better gap cover from, you know, or better paint protection and stuff like that. But I see it basically as the middleman, if you like, or the middle person between getting a quote from a car buying service and the dealer. Because one of the reasons that I started this channel in the first place was that places like CarWow, Orange Wheels, Coast to Coast Cars, all these are brilliant, and I've used them many times myself. But my concern is you're still on your own when you get to the dealer. So you go along to the dealer, you've got your quote, and then you're still on your own. So is there anything else that can be done? Is there haggling to be done on the Part X? Is there haggling to be done on the APR? Is there haggling to be done on the guaranteed future value and stuff like that? I don't know. But that's what I see the service as being. Now, I don't know how it would work. I don't know how, you know, the business model would work. Obviously, things like this take a lot of time, but equally I wouldn't want to rip anybody off because the aim is obviously to get you a better deal. So the idea might be, I don't know, you know, I'll give you a recent example. The Ford Fiesta, which I've mentioned before, I ended up saving about an extra 450 quid over what was originally quoted. So let's say, I don't know, you paid 25% of any additional saving plus, say, a consultation fee to cover the hours worked. I don't think there's going to be a huge amount of profitability in it, but as long as it covers my time, and as long as I can get people a better deal, and as long as people maybe then come back in 3 years' time and want to do the same thing again, it's something I enjoy. As you know, I like pulling agreements apart. I like analysing how much it's really costing, and I like to educate people. So maybe part of the service might be, well, let's take your quote apart. Let's analyse the figures. Let's make sure you understand it. Let's make sure you understand when and if you can get out of it. Let's make sure you're getting the best possible deal. Who knows? But as I say, it wouldn't be an advice service, because I wouldn't be able to I wouldn't be able to legally, if you like, offer advice. What I could do is just make sure you're getting a better deal. And if you can't get any better deal than what you're already quoted, you don't pay anything. Who knows? I don't know how it works. This is just me kind of airing my thoughts, if you like, as to how it might work. So anybody has got any ideas, if anybody thinks it's a good idea, if anyone thinks it's a stupid idea, please do let me know. Feedback, good and bad, on this channel is what I like. Okay. I think that was all I wanted to talk about. I had some notes here. Integrity. So obviously, I hope through these videos I come across that I'm very honest. I just want to do the best by people, and I want you to get the best deal. So it would be integrity would be one of the core values. It would be an honest service. It would be explained every step of the way. In my other jobs I've had, I'm always, quite infamous for responding to emails, keeping communication going, and I hope I've proved that through the speed at which I try and answer most emails that I get. So it would be an honest service, an efficient service, a service with integrity. But like I say, I don't know how it would work. I don't know whether there's a demand for such a service. I think certainly there might be, given the amount of emails I get where people aren't quite sure what they've signed up for. But it's just an idea. So I just wanted to put that out there. Very quick video of a Friday evening. I'll perhaps come back in on Monday with a new finance example. I've had loads of suggestions, so thank you for that. Like I say, do keep commenting, do keep subscribing, do keep feeding back. And I will hit the stop button now, and I will see you very soon. I hope you all have a great weekend. Take care.